wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best metal lockers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Houseinbox side table is fairly small at 22 inches tall, but its simple styling helps it fit into any room while giving your available storage space a boost. The legs are detachable too, so you can place it directly on the floor for a lower profile. It works well as a plant stand and comes in bold or neutral colors, but putting it together is a hassle. At number 8, you could definitely call the IKEA cabinet stand eye-catching, as both the blue and red choices are bright and vibrant, just the thing to add a pop of color to any room. And even though these aren't a traditional locker shape, they're still completely lockable. It wipes clean with a damp cloth and can function as a television stand. However, the thin metal feels flimsy. Coming in at number 7 on our list. Although you can't fit anything larger than some jewelry or cash in the Magnetic Impressions mini locker, it makes a fun yet functional knick-knack or an interesting gift. You'll get a mini padlock along with it, so it's ready for action when it arrives. It comes with 2 interior shelves and padded feet to prevent scratches, but it's not even a foot tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal lockers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, what the 3-door office storage is lacking in charm, it makes up for in convenience, as each individual space has plenty of room for all the stuff you don't want to leave lying around. And since the locks are built right in, you won't need to buy anything else. Several other sizes are available, and it's made from cold-rolled steel. However, it is rather heavy at over 60 pounds. Moving up our list to number 5. The costzon Kids is sized just right for your little one at 4 feet tall, and since it's available in several colors, there should be one to suit your child's tastes. There's even space to add a name card, so everyone will know whose stuff is inside. It includes a built-in lock with 2 keys and an interior clothes hanging rod, but the assembly instructions are confusing. At number 4, if you're looking for some serious storage space, the Salisbury Industries triple tier has got the room you need. Thanks to 9 lockable compartments, it's built to accommodate a large family or small team, with each person getting their own 2-foot door section. It's equipped with louvered doors for ventilation and is 3 feet wide. However, it is on the more expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Crafted from 16-gauge steel, the Salisbury Industries single tier is roomy at 12 inches wide and 18 inches deep. You'll be able to get a lot of use from this space too, thanks to a hat shelf, a double ceiling hook, a coat rod, and not 1, not 2, but 3 wall hooks. It features an easy open lift-up handle and an attractive blue color. Note that it sits on legs, not the ground. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal lockers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Space Solutions Office Dimensions is highly functional and versatile, working equally well in your office, garage or mudroom. It's got an adjustable bar for hanging bags or jackets, and if theft is a concern, you can use a padlock to secure it. It boasts a sleek black styling, 2 removable shelves, and a snap-together assembly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you've got a handful of people to accommodate or just really like to organize your stuff, the Salisbury Industries 5-tier could be an excellent helper. It stands over 5 feet tall and each compartment is completely lockable. The compartments are 12 inches high and it's powder coated for durability. It comes in a neutral tan color. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal lockers, or simply click beneath this video.